Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x plus 2 whole power 4 equal 4 square and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x plus 2 whole power 4, I can write it as whole square equal 4 square. Now this becomes x power 2 whole square x square plus 4x plus 4. We can write this. So this becomes x square plus 4x plus 4 whole square equal 4 square. Now take the 4 square to this side. So x square plus 4x plus 4 square minus 4 square equals 0. So I am going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square equal a plus b times a minus b. So x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 4. So this becomes x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 equals 0. So this becomes x square plus 4x plus 8 times x square plus 4x equals 0. So first this x square plus 4x plus 8 equals 0. So I'm going to use quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is 1, b is 4 and c is 8. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 8 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 32 by 2. X is equals to minus 4 plus minus negative 16 by 2. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus 4 square is 16. So 4 iota this becomes by 2. So x is equals to, if I'll take 2 as common, minus 2 plus minus 2 iota by 2. This will cancel out. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 iota. Now the second case is x square plus 4x equals 0. So if I'll take x as common, x plus 4 equals 0. So x is equals to 0 and x plus 4 equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 4. So what are the four values of x? X1 is minus 2 plus 2 iota. X2 is minus 2 iota. X3 is 0 and X4 is minus 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.